Hello and welcome to my channel. Igbos are among the most hardworking, creative and resilient people in Nigeria. Yet, since 1966, no Igbo person has been president. No strong federal presence in Igbo land. No rail line, no gas infrastructure, only checkpoints, insecurity and neglect. And in the middle of this painful reality, some Igbo content creators make things worse. People like Ijele. Now, instead of offering constructive ideas, instead of asking for fairness, they turn themselves into tools of the enemy. They fight against Biafra. They mock Igbo unity. And suddenly their pages become a gathering place for outsiders. And you know what? Not because these outsiders love them, oh. No, not because of that. And not because these outsiders who gather at their page respect them, oh. But the simple truth is that these people gather because these bloggers are useful to them in the marketing Igbo people, their own people. You go to pages of people like this, you see how money is sent to them. Okay, that's your account. I wire so amount. So they receive money, they receive gifts, and they get a lot of support from enemies of Ndibo, non-Igbos. And to them, because people are sending them money, gifts, and the rest of them, they think it means acceptance. But no, it only means they are being used. Be careful when people who are not Igbo, for example, you are an Igbo blogger, and people who are not Igbo, a bulk of your followers, sending you money. Be careful. Indirectly, they are buying you. Be objective enough. I don't say you shouldn't accept gift, but be objective enough. Know where your complaints, know where your broadcast is being channeled to. Check such support you are getting from them. It could be that you are selling your people. So, in most cases, let me tell you what happens. The outsiders do not like you. The ones who are sponsoring you against your Igbo people. What they like is your self-hate. Your self-hate for your people. They enjoy the way you attack your people. While you please them, you attack your people, you demarket your people. You are destroying your own house. They like it. And let me tell you, if they are to come for the heads of your people, you are not going to escape. Because he who betrays his people. You know what it means? They are giving you kerosene to burn your house. And while your house is being raised down, they are cheering you. You are burning your father's house. The enemies are paying you. Now send that to your account, make I send recharge for you. Send that to your account, make I want to send something to you. You are happy. What? You say Ndibo. I was watching an Ijele's broadcast the other day. I had to step in and comment. I was watching his broadcast. He was telling people in Imo State, there is crisis. Some of the people who are destroying our place in the name of Biafra. There are people who are destroying our place in the name of Biafra. Yes, that is quite true. Now, Ijele was like giving them a kind of succor, as if he was telling them what to do. I mean, the people who are running away from this place, or Kigwe. He was telling them, run away. But in the same vein, in the same sentence, he was telling, hey, Edo people, Lagos people, they are coming. Be careful of them, they are coming. What nonsense. Ibunye munnu halum milisum. He said, beware, they are coming. People who are, you are telling to run away for their lives. And you are telling other people they should wait, that they are coming. These guys are silly. Nigeria is hurting your people. You are not looking for solution to save your people. You are demarketing them. Please note, I am not in support of people who are killing our people in the East. I'm not in support of any Igbo killing our Igbo people in the East. I don't support them. Please note, I don't support them at all. I'm not in support of gang war. I'm not in support of gang war. People who are fighting themselves, saying they are trying to bring Biafra. I am never in support of them. But I cannot behave like Ijele. Yes, there is a way I will do things. I will do it constructively. I will not allow outsiders to influence me to demarket Igbo. No, I will not. Because you should first understand that there is injustice in Nigeria. Massive injustice against the Igbo. The Igbos and others ask for restructuring. The North says no. Igbos ask for regional government. They oppose it. Now when Igbo said, okay, let's leave Nigeria, they say it is treason. So what exactly does Nigeria want from Igbo people? What do they want? So I understand the grievances of people who are saying we want Biafra. I understand it. Meanwhile, I may not support killing of our people in the name of wanting Biafra. I will not support that. But there's a way I am meant to address it. Okay, you may not like Biafra, but do you also hate Igbo people? Igbos give so much to Nigeria. Gas and oil from the east. Trade and commerce flow from Igbo hands. But in return, no industries, no federal investment, only checkpoints and insecurity. They tell us, go back to your home. And the same ones who shout one Nigeria when Igbos talk of living. That is not love, that is hypocrisy. And you make your page a place to promote them and they send recharge card for you. They wire to your account. It doesn't make sense. It is foolish. Yes, foolish for any Igbo content creator to join outsiders pulling down his own people. It is foolish. You can oppose Biafra, like I said. That's your right. You have the right to oppose Biafra. You can even believe in one Nigeria, that it can still work. But instead of mocking your people, why not give solutions? Why not argue with sense, not with insults? Because when you join outsiders to attack your own, you have stopped being a critic. You have become a tool in their hands. They are using you. Forget the amount they send to your bank. Nigeria seems to want Igbo in the union, but silent. They want Igbos to be in the union called Nigeria, but they want Igbos to be silent. They want Igbos to be productive, but excluded. They want Igbos to be present, but never in leadership. So I ask again, what does Nigeria really want from the Igbos? To everybody watching this, remember this. Outsiders will clap for you today only if you are useful in their agenda. But tomorrow, when you rise for your people, they will call you their enemy. Let us stop being tools. Let us start building solutions. Because Igbo unity is not about destroying Nigeria. It is about saying enough is enough. We deserve fairness. We deserve respect. We deserve, if they say Nigeria project, we are not going to be treated as second hand. And we deserve a future where our children will not be tied down. Please share this video widely. I'm Azuka Oja. I say bye-bye for now.